In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel on Windows. This is a useful method if you want to organize your emails, create reports, or keep a backup of important message details in a spreadsheet format. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and make sure you are in your main inbox or the folder that contains the emails you want to export. Once you're ready, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will open the Outlook Backstage view, where you'll find several options for managing your account and data. From there, click on Open and Export, then select Import/Export. This will launch the Import and Export wizard, which helps you move data in and out of Outlook. In the list of options, choose Export to a file, then click Next to continue. On the next screen, select comma-separated values, also known as CSV format. This format is fully compatible with Microsoft Excel and allows your email data to be opened and edited easily in a spreadsheet. After selecting it, click Next. Now you'll need to choose the folder that contains the emails you want to export. For example, you can select your inbox, sent items, or any custom folder you've created. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Next. You'll then be asked to choose a location on your computer where the exported file will be saved. Click Browse, pick a folder that's easy to remember, and give your file a name. After that, click OK, then click Next again. Before finishing, you can click on Map Custom Fields if you want to control which email details are included, such as subject, sender, or date. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you only need specific information. Finally, click Finish, and Outlook will begin exporting your emails. Once the process is complete, navigate to the file you saved and open it. Using Microsoft Excel, you'll see your emails neatly arranged in rows and columns, making them easier to sort, filter, and analyze. And that's it. You've successfully exported your emails from Outlook to Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.